Yeah, eating all that pizza was a terrible idea because I don't know if y'all see that. Let's get... Yo, what's up guys? This is Victor. Welcome to another Everything Technology video. I asked you guys on YouTube as well as on Twitter to shoot some questions for a chance to be featured on the Q&A. It's been like years, I think more than a year for sure, definitely more than a year since I've done the Q&A, but we are back at again with the series. If you want to be featured in the next one, leave some comments with some questions in the comment section below. Obviously, where else would you leave it? Or you can just tweet me out, message me on Instagram, ask your questions, and you'll get featured in the next one. Let's get started with this very first episode that we haven't done in like forever. I can give plenty of tips on starting a YouTube channel, but the number one thing is commitment and consistency. If you're not gonna commit to YouTube and if you're not gonna be consistent, your channel is not gonna grow, period. There is no tricks to growing a YouTube channel. Honestly, I just kept uploading. That's the reason I'm sitting at 30,000 subscribers. But if you do want a little bit more detailed explanation, I'll be linking a talk I did at an event down in the description where it talks about some of the things I did to grow my YouTube channel. Time management is something that I've been struggling with, especially the past couple months. That's why the consistency hasn't been the best on both channels. But I would say a few weeks ago, it's something that I've been really focusing on simply because I've never been this busy in my life. In fact, outside of YouTube, if you guys didn't know, I'm the creative director at one of the largest video production companies in my local city. And so I'm constantly producing a lot of videos. I'm at events shooting. I'm making commercials, promo videos, a bunch of other stuff. So it is really hard to manage my YouTube schedule as well as the schedule I have outside of YouTube. But something that's really helped me out a lot is taking advantage of the Google Calendar app or the calendar app that comes with your phone. It's actually super useful. It's something that I'm still trying to get myself used to following, but now I'm kind of forced to, especially when I have like meetings and stuff like that. Besides using the calendar app, if you're not starting your days earlier, I highly recommend it. I've been doing it for the past week now, and it's been amazing. I've been able to get a lot more done, pushing out a lot more videos now. Definitely not there at the schedule that I want to be at, but it's something that I'm definitely working on. So nowadays I wake up at 7 a.m. as compared to like 10, sometimes 11. Like I'm not a morning person at all, but forcing myself to build this habit of waking up early has allowed me to accomplish a lot more in one day than I could have ever done the past couple months. And the last thing I would recommend to build your time management is being more self-disciplined or building your self-discipline. That's something that I've been working on, especially this past couple weeks now. And the way you build self-discipline is by finding ways to embrace discomfort. And one of those ways for me is waking up early in the mornings. I don't like waking up in the mornings, as I've mentioned, but I've realized waking up in the morning has allowed me to accomplish a lot more throughout the day. And on top of that, it's just affected the way my productivity is throughout the day. Like it's kind of weird to explain, but finding different ways to embrace discomfort. It does not necessarily have to mean waking up early in the mornings, but that thing that annoys you, that you hate doing, but you know it's really good to do, you need to keep doing that as much as possible because that's the way you strengthen the muscle of self-discipline. So I don't know how accurately I could answer this question simply because I've had like tons of YouTube videos throughout like the years. Like I know I've uploaded like random videos when I was like really young, when YouTube first came out. I mean, I don't know where they went now, but I'd say like the first YouTube video I could actually remember that actually I produced, that was like a tech review. It was actually a how-to video on how to download albums for free on your Android device. I think that video probably got taken down because that was super illegal. And then I remember also at one point I did a video on a remote control car, and that was when I was really young. Actually, I put it on my sister's channel and I got all sorts of like feedback. People were like, this kid is annoying, this and that. Like I recorded the video in my parents' bathroom. So you could see like the toilet on the corner. You could see my sister's like walking by. Yeah, it's not the best video, but yeah, that was my very first video. First off, big shout out to Miles for asking the question. You should go check out his channel. He produces some fire tech videos. If you like mine, you're probably gonna like his. But anyway, back to the question. I wouldn't say there's not necessarily a specific video, but the Everything Technology team is actually expanding simply because I'm doing a lot of stuff outside of YouTube. So now I have an editor and a script writer. Shout out to Down Charlie Nick if you're watching this video. I really do appreciate your help. But anyway, I actually run a second YouTube channel, which is the Updato channel. They're a website and I produce similar tech videos that you see on this channel. So if you wanna go check that out, links will be down in the description. But as far as exciting things, I wouldn't say specifically a video, but more of the team expanding, which is pretty exciting because I'm gonna be able to push out more videos. I'm actually trying to push out 2 videos a week. I've been kind of struggling with that, as you guys have probably noticed by now. So that is the reason why I'm expanding the team, so I can push out more content on this channel and of course on the Updato channel. And oh yeah, hopefully that answers some of the questions you guys have been asking, because I know a lot of people on the Updato channel are like, where is Hamza? Hamza was actually the creator of that channel originally. So for all of you guys who've been wondering, I'm the new creator. Hamza is working on other projects outside of YouTube. He's decided to move out to new ventures. So I'm gonna be the one running the Updato channel for now. So hope you guys stay tuned for more content. Yeah, I'm actually Kenyan, born in Kenya, moved to the States when I was around 5 years old, so like in 2005 or something like that. And yeah, I still remember Swahili, ninajua kuongea Swahili. If you're any Kenyan viewers out there, you probably understood what I said. In other words, I said I know how to speak Swahili if you don't understand what I just said. But yes, born in Kenya, raised in America, that's why you probably hear the American accent. But that's why you see the Kamanga as my last name. Your boy's Kenyan. And that's gonna do for this video. Hope you enjoyed this hashtag Ask Victor series. I can't quite remember like which one or which number this one is specifically. I have to go back on my channel and look. I'll probably add it to the title once I edit this video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more Q&As, let me know down in the comment section, because these are always fun to do, to engage with you guys, answer your questions, and just to talk to you guys. It's always fun. But as I mentioned earlier, if you want to submit some questions for the next Q&A, leave it in the comment section, or you can direct message me on Twitter, Instagram, tweet me out, whatever the case is. I will answer it in the next Q&A. Thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye. What is gay? Let's Google it. Let's see. I don't know. I'm just a happy person.